5 signs you require to work with an outsourced writer. Are you a website owner who counts on fresh material to help you earn money? If so, you may do your own short article writing. This method is nice, but could you benefit from outsourcing these posts? You can. 5 signs that you ought to hire an outsourced author are listed below. 1. Your website quickly takes off. Whether you have content-filled sites or a site where you sell a service or product, material is king. It helps you generate traffic. The traffic is required to see a revenue. The more web users that visit your site, the better opportunities are for making money. Given that content is so essential, you ought to have a great deal of it on your website. Readers like to see fresh content. They are more likely to go back to a site they understand is upgraded. As terrific as it is to see your site traffic and sales increase, you may not have the ability to stay up to date with the rate. In that case, you need to hire an outsourced writer. 2. You want to explore other opportunities online. Selling a product, a service, or making money through affiliate programs are simply 3 of the many ways that you can make money online. If you think that you are held back because of article writing, outsource the work. What is nice about employing a professional web content writer is that they can compose quality short articles at a quicker rate of speed. Yes, it's possible to make a full-time earnings running a website that is filled with advertisements or products for sale, but many are curious of doing so. Some discover it too dangerous to quit their full-time jobs. You may utilize the web to make money in your spare time if you are one of those people. Since you may not have time to keep your site upgraded with specialist articles, you ought to consider outsourcing. 4. You have a family. Similar to having a full-time job, if you have a family at home, you may not have the time to commit 24 hours a day to running your site. You might not even have 8 hours to devote. In fact, the best way to make money online, specifically with websites and blogs, is to keep them updated. Marketing is likewise crucial and can be time-consuming. To ensure that you earn money online, but also get investment quality time with your household, contract out some of your post-writing jobs. You and your household will be delighted you did. 5. You do not want to do the work. The above discussed reasons are all great reasons for hiring an outsourcer, but you actually do not require to have a factor. If you want to make money online but without needing to do any of the physical work yourself, contracting out is the way to go. Keep in mind, to keep a revenue in mind, if you choose to outsource all of your portions of your post-writing products, quality posts are more than worth the extra cost, but make certain you can profit from them. Are you a site owner who relies on fresh material to assist you making money? Whether you have content-filled site or a site where you sell a product or service, content is king, because you might not have time to keep your site updated with unique posts. You should think about outsourcing. Finest way to make cash online, specifically with blogs and sites, is to keep them upgraded, to make sure you make cash online. However, also get to spend quality time with your family, outsourcing some of your post-writing products. This pays you to do this. You get quality material up on your site, which can be daily if you wish, or weekly, as long as you keep doing it. Keep proceeding with new items, new quality writing, and you will find that sales will start coming in, because you'll get visitors, and visitors bring sales. So just look into your finances, see if you can afford an outsourcer. Try it small to start with, see if it makes any difference to your site visitors, and then increase as the site pays off. Also, before you get anything going properly, always do your research. I use Google. That's a very good source of research. Put in the name of the program you're wanting to join, or the outsourcer you're wanting to hire, and they'll come up with lots of suggestions and things about them or it, whichever the case may be. YouTube I use for my information. They do videos on all sorts of things. They can show you how to get over things. They show you how things are done. It's a very good program for learning with vision. In other words, you're not reading, but you're looking and you're seeing what's happening. So YouTube, you have to put how to, say how to make money online, how to get a outsourced writer, how to find a writer who does writing properly, all these sort of suggestions of how to, and YouTube generally comes up with the goods. Now below my video there's a like button. If you could press this like button for me, so sort of like a thumb up or something, I don't know which way it is at the moment. There's probably one down and one up, so it could be anything, but if you can click on that, that helps me with YouTube. Also below my video there is a link to my YouTube channel. I have over 280 videos up there on how to earn money online. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. So you put it into YouTube browser, or a browser, not YouTube browser. YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Click it, and down the page you'll find videos and videos and videos. They're all helpful videos, so I just advise, if you want to learn more, to pop along and have a look at it. Also, while you're doing these sort of things, there's other links underneath my video. They're programs I joined. I don't own any of them. And also there's tools I use for the internet, which are very, very good tools. One of my favorites is the Spin Writer, because it writes everything again for me, so I don't ever get done for copywriting. I have to find scripts after scripts after scripts for all these videos, because I'm not that knowledgeable. I understand everything, so I have to read up myself, and I copy and paste, and then spin it, and that article is safe for copyright because it's all been altered around and it's going in as my article. So that's one of the best tools I find underneath there, except for of course the video maker. But anyway, as I was saying, they're all affiliated tools. I don't own any of them. If you click anywhere amongst the tools or the programs, then I get a small commission. That's the way we work on the internet, and that's the way it will always be, I believe. So thank you for being here. Don't forget, please click the like button and also subscribe if you would. This helps me immensely. So thank you once more. Hope you have full success in your ventures as I have in mine, and hope you come back again. Please click the like button. It's cheerio from Ian Jackson. Bye bye.